Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video we are talking about some tips and tricks about battery saving. If you want to save your battery, then I'll show you how can you save your battery on iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all, what you need to do is just simply close the widgets, and after that open settings, and then you can do some settings from here. And if your Bluetooth is on, then you have to turn it off, and after that you have to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. Okay guys, and after that you have to tap on general, and then you have to turn off your background app refresh. From here you can turn it off, and if you want to use it for some apps, then you can do from here. Okay guys, you can individually do from here like this. Go back again, and then you have to scroll it down, tap on privacy and security, and then you have to turn off location services. If you want to turn it off, then you can do from here. Okay guys, then go back from here again, and after that you have to tap on display and brightness, and then you can adjust your brightness from here. So you have to adjust your brightness, and you have to use dark mode. So always you have to use dark mode, and then go back, and then you have to open your control center, tap on this, and you can also use night shift mode in night. Okay guys, and after that, let me tell you that don't use third party chargers to charging your phone. Just simply use Apple verified chargers to charge your phone. And if your phone is overheated, don't charge it. Just simply cool it down, and then you have to charge it after that. Okay guys, and don't play games or don't use phone while your phone is on charging, and don't use your phone in outdoors, and don't let it on your phone at your cars. So and that is the method, or that is the some tips and tricks you can easily save your battery. So that's it guys for today video. The videos, so please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.